Show me how you can count, Mina, and put the sticks. You want me to count? Okay. Why don't you count? Say 1,
2,
3, 4.
Mommy.
What? You want me to do it?
2,
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you count them and put them back in there? 1. You got to do one at a time. Can you count?
4, 6, 8.
Count the last one. How many is that? How many sticks do you have? My turn? Or was it your turn?
6.
6. 1. How many? How many sticks? Mina. How many sticks? 1.
2, 3,
What number's that?
2.
Is that 6 or 7? You didn't count. You have to count when you do it. Hold this. Okay. Hold that too? Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Want Mommy to hold them? Okay. Yeah, put them right there. That's good. Right here. Okay. I want you to count. Can you count the sticks? Count.
Yeah.
Is that 1? That's not counting. Can you show me karate? Show me karate. Nina doesn't want to do anything except for play with these cinnamon sticks, which she's been doing for
Yeah.
Oh, there's karate. Good job.
Yeah.
Hiya. Okay, count. 1,
2, 3.
What's this one? Here, do 4. 4. 4. What comes after 4? 5. 6. Good job. Hey, Mina, can you say Dia?
Yeah.
Can you say Papa K? Can you say Owie? What else can you say? What's on your shirt? What is that? Fish. That's right. All right. 2, yeah. Is that 3? Can you say bye-bye?